Hey, what's up, regulators? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin filter on a 2003 to 2010 Cayenne. These are the tools you'll need: a T25 Torx and a 7/16 socket, and that's really it. So let's get started. Underneath your passenger dashboard in your glove box, you'll have this cover with one T25 screw. The previous mechanic didn't think I was cool enough to have a screw there, so he left it out. Just simply, once you get that screw out, pull the cover down. As you can see, the previous mechanic also didn't think I was cool enough to have that pipe that goes across it, but that one you simply just pull down also. And now you can see there's two 7/16 bolts. So grab your socket and just undo these bolts, and then the cover should pop right off. As you can see, the cover for mine just really wanted to come off, and it fell right down. Alright, and now all you gotta do is pull out your old filter. I pulled my filter out a couple days before this and blew it out with compressed air, so it doesn't look too bad. So while you're in here, you might as well just pull this little drain out right here, and if it's not modified, you're going to want to modify it. That way the water from your HVAC system could easily drain out. Sometimes this gets clogged up, and when you turn your AC on, you get like a musty smell. If you have a musty smell, when you have your filter off, just spray like a little bit of Lysol in there. Now all you gotta do is everything in reverse order. Install your filter, put your cover on, and then install your two 7/16 bolts. Once those bolts are installed, you're going to install that little crossover pipe that goes over, but my vehicle does not have it because I'm not cool enough to have it, I suppose. And now you can see these clips on the back go right where I'm pointing for you. And then there's two clips in the front that clip up underneath where the bottom of the glove box is. And then that one bolt in the center. And then once you have that, you're done. As you see where your bolt goes in the center. And you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section, and I'll be happy to answer them.